Okay, back again. I'm back for my meetings. So let's continue on with cleaning this up. A bit of work in Git to get all this going. I was just thinking we could just remove these commits from the merge. Sorry, from we could just remerge again after rolling this dev branch out. So yeah, let's see where we were. We get ref log. Yeah, so we were on there. Yeah. Okay. So we have the other feature that we want to move here. If we do the ref log first parent here, so that's our branch. That's when we merged in the register node. And then here we have that is the register. And then we have the sessions. So, sorry, that's not where we're going. This is the one, topics, or sessions, whatever it's called, sessions, right? So I think we were looking for the sessions branch now to cherry pick this one, right? Because here we have, yeah, state, topic state field has UI. That button being added, that's really the only thing that we have here. Yeah, we have that in there. So yeah, we just need to cherry pick this one. Into our sessions. Now, do we even have that as a suggestion? Suggestions, is it called suggestions? What do we call it? Sessions or suggestions? It's a state view. Topics, yeah. Okay, so get checkout topics. State view, no topics. There we go. Okay, so we do that, and then we can do a get cherry pick, and we can just do the last one we did here, so it should work just fine. We do a get log, or yeah, get log dash p, should see that we added that, adding that registration ID to the topics mustache, and then we have the topics mustache here, and oh yeah, we added the extra button, right? Yeah, the voting, continuing with the voting. So that's all we're adding to this thing. So, okay. Also, we can just do stat just to make sure we're doing the same thing too. Okay, so topics mustache, app.js, topics mustache. Yeah. Okay, good. So we can push that. And now I'd like to do something different and basically get rid of those extra commits where we actually did the work in the integration branch, but we really don't want them. And honestly, if I was doing this with a team, I wouldn't have pushed that branch. I would have still done the work on the integration branch, but I know that it has to be modular, it has to be where I am. And now I put it back to the modules that they belong to. I can then just merge them properly. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Again, let's see if we can do that real quick here. So get checkout. Let's make sure we get the dev branch, and now we can You know, we don't even have to reset it here. I guess it's easier from here. Could have just pushed it locally. You can do this, git push a dot instead of origin. That means you're pushing to the same repo as you're in. So the remote is the current repo, and this is another way of resetting things. You can push things into whatever references you want. So I do this quite often. Anyway, just once you're familiar with Git, you can do all sorts of neat things. All right. So now that we're on this dev branch, git log -- stat, and we just want to do first parent only. So that's our merge that we did, and this is the 2 commits that we put somewhere else now. And these are the things for cherry picking that we probably want to also cherry pick because they're all done on Monday. And we kind of want to go back to this one. So yeah, I don't want these things to actually exist on here. So I would probably do 1 line. And just so that we can see where these are. So we have 4 cherry picks. So we have those 2 fundamental business logic changes. These are agnostic, but I do actually want to stick them into a topic branch. It's because I don't want them to be in the dev branch. The reason I don't want them to be in the dev branch is that dev branch is always subject to be reset. Like it's a free for all. You can have someone from your team just destroy the dev branch as long as they bring back like a merge back in all the other branches are free to do that. But there's no guarantee that they'll do these. Anything that's a commit directly to a dev branch is a big no-no. So definitely, you know, I would have teased these out, put them somewhere else. It's just that's what I had checked out when I was doing the work. So I'm going to just grab these guys and move them to the other branch. Just don't want to just go off the screen. So yeah, we can see that those things for cherry pick are there. So if I quit and I'm just gonna do the last 5 maybe. Those are all the cherry picks. 6 maybe. 7. Oh, that's the last merge. So we have all the cherry picks you can see. So I'm just gonna grab them and put them onto. They're all to do with fish, except this one. So I do like that being available for everyone. So if I do a git checkout and just go back to the previous branch, we could put it on the topics node, these guys, so we can do git cherry pick. I don't know if we can do multiple cherry picks at once. I mean, I forget. So let's just do this one. I'm not sure if that. No, that doesn't. The copy. Now I could. Really? Why is this not copy? And then I'm here, and then middle click should paste. Why is it not pasting? Do I have to not have anything auto selected? Copy. Oh, now it worked. Do I just double click it? Copy, and then, okay. I don't know what weird state I was in. Maybe when that cursor pop-up comes up. Okay, now it's working. Okay, so yeah, if we could cherry pick those three. Oh, really? Maybe it's not the right error. Well, let's just see what the conflict is. I'm surprised there's a conflict. Maybe I added some more things in the other branch. I think I did. I think I had some more stuff. Um, where is this conflict? This is open. Events.fish. Hmm. I don't get it. Let's see. What is it complaining about? Am I on the wrong one? Scripts have been deleted, head, and modified in blah 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 for cherry pick. Oh, I see. It just didn't even exist in this branch. Oh, it's kind of a bad branch to put it in. No matter. Yeah, actually, this is gonna be. It's not a best place because it's not where those lived. Um, but the app went in, right? So yeah, so we did this restart thing, which was the first one. So that's okay. We can now abort it. I'm not sure if it'll abort both. Um, um, oh yeah, it didn't. Okay, well, you can just do the first one. That one did. That one was fine. So that's a home for that one. Okay, so that one can have this extra little bit of logic that we can add. But now I'd like to actually know where we did most of the work for the scripts stuff. So git checkout, go back to dev, and then we can do git git log and just look at scripts. Yeah, I know it. Those really? It actually should have more. Oh, I know. I don't have all. So gut helper scripts. Wow, we did all of those in one commit. That's crazy. So if we look at git log patch for B3. Oh yeah, we did. Wow, we really did a lot there. Interesting. Let's just see what contains that. So we put it in the registration name for suggestion. Oh, okay. So we're doing that last. It's fairly recent, I guess. That's where we did it. So if we do git checkout, and then we do suggestions, state view, suggestion node. That's the one. Okay. So now if we do a git cherry pick, and we already did the first one, that's in that other branch, then we can grab these, and that's perfect. So now they actually live in these feature branches. If they were from a branch that was from a previous sprint, I would have put them in their own branch in here. But that's fine. Let's push that up, and but now we need to merge these branches to, so these latest changes also need to go into the dev branch now properly, but we also have to reset the dev branch. So git checkout bp dev. And then was it one line? So yeah, so we need to get rid of all of the cherry picks and the and we put those other ones in the topics mustache fix and all that into the latest ones. So since 4 hours ago, yeah. I just want to see if those are the cherry picks. So I think, is it fuller? No, it's pretty equals fuller. Yeah. Okay. So it doesn't show. So it's only going by. Why isn't it showing the cherry picks as separate things? Should have a different time for when I cherry picked. Oh no, that one is. Okay, so it shows that, shows that, shows that. Okay, and then topic state view. Oh yeah, that too. Okay, so we have the topic state view. That's a different time. You have to be very careful reading the times that are different. And registration success state view. That's a different time. Why is there two of those? Huh. Oh, they're different ones. But why? 26, 23, 23, 59. So why did that get put onto two different places? Commit, commit. Huh. Let's see, one line. I wish I was a fast. Let's just do this through less. And I want to see. Is it color? No. Oh man, I keep forgetting these options. Um, so yeah, what the hell? There's another Les has another it has another option here to not suppress the color. Oh no, it's not the graph. It's color. It might be on here. Is it let's ask GPT. Make less show color. Really? -R? I forget. I think that's correct. Yeah. Okay. So now we can do. It's very weird why it does that. So we have that. I don't know if that's actually showing the correct. This is all just from 4 hours ago? That's quite a few. So we have that one. Timestamp, yeah. Yeah, that's good. Oh, I see. That's why we had 2 of those in there. So we cherry pick that into 2. Creative instrument that we're saying right now. That's okay. So those are. Those are the script updates. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, so we have that app.js is 2 of them. Yeah, and we fixed that because we merged that in. Yeah, registration success rate, state view, registration ID. Yeah, okay, so we're not going to bother with that. And okay, those are the cherry picks up there, and 4 cherry picks are those all of those things there onto design. Okay, that makes sense. I just wish the graph would show that that's not each where the star isn't a continuation. That would be a lot better. You have to kind of know where your branches are to understand this. Luckily, I do. And yeah, you can see the dev branch there. It's one commit that one merge that we did. But we really want to be at this last one here and redo all of that. So, gotta copy that one. Quit. It's gonna show this, and from here, we now need to reset to that. So, get reset. Move our dev branch back here. And because everything has been cherry picked to these other ones, we now have to merge them in. Yeah. Yeah, I know it's a problem. Right. Oh, that's bad. Yeah, I picked the wrong one. We need to be where we started all this. So this first one here. Yeah, why do we put that in here? Fixed flow between that. Okay, that's right. So that was, it's this one. It's the parent of this one that we need to be at. So we're not showing it because obviously we're only showing 4 hours ago to do that. And we actually need to be not at this, but its first parent. So we need to do the tilde1. Actually, I'll just use the caret. Hopefully that's not an escaped character in fish shell. Okay, that's better. That was quite scary. The get status there with with all that stuff. Yeah, so if we do go back to the git log, all since 4 hours ago, we have that. We notice now that we don't have head anywhere in here, which means that we're not. Oh God, I hate this thing. It always goes back up. Yeah. Notice we had head here because we're on BPF dev. Now we have something checked out that is quite old, so we won't have that in this output from 4 hours ago because we're on a commit that's way older than 4 hours ago. But here at least we know what we need to merge, right? So we have the stuff with the cherry picks was first. I can just do it chronologically. So all of these things are here. So it's basically in here. Oh, are we missing something? Oh, this create event stream without needing this restart node. That's in another branch. So actually, we kind of have it split chronologically here. And topic state view has UI that shows the button. So this one here, 8E6 and 6BD are together, which is not ideal, but I was just randomly picking where I would apply the app.js change. So that's why it's an issue. Not really an issue, just it's not as organized as I would like it to be. All right, so let's get this all merged together. And in fact, it should really merge just fine in whatever order we do it in. So git merge. Let's do the one with the cherry picks for the what's it called, the utilities that we have. So that would be BPF. That would be the suggestion. Registration info suggestion. So that worked. That's the scripts. Is that all we had in there? I guess so. Yeah. Oh yeah, we shoved them all in there. Right. And then the one that has some utility here is this topics node. This GM merge. Yes. Okay. So now we have topics state view. Yeah. Be able to merge that just fine. Yeah, seems to work. I'm wondering, I hate this editor going up. I want to do no edit. I wonder if no edit works on git merge. So git merge, no edit. Does that work? Is that actually a tab complete? Okay, so we have one last one. we have the topics one, and then we have the register, state view register node. State view register node. Okay, and aha, good. So that's interesting. I don't like that popping up automatically. If I don't like the message, like get log -1. Okay, I don't want to be popped into the editor if I don't want to be. I could always do git amend, git commit amend, and then it'll pop me into the editor if I want to change it. But yeah, I don't like to be popped out into Vim without if I don't want to. I think that should be okay. Make git use no edit for merges. Torvalds would kill me for this. He really wants reasons for merges, but here we have a workflow that we support, where we merge for the exact same reason all the time, like the source and destination branches kind of tell you why you're doing it. So make git use no edit for merges in global config. That's not right. That doesn't seem right. No. I don't want to have to use no edit option. Git merge. This is not good. I guess this is so rarely done by people. Oh God. Edit or no edit? Yeah, this is generally discouraged. I bet that's because of Torvalds. You see that up here? This is generally discouraged. Depends how you're working. The edit is still useful if you already draft message with the M option from the command line and want to edit in the editor. Older scripts may depend on historical behavior, not allowing the user to edit the. Okay, so that's interesting. It doesn't give me a reference to the config for no edit. So I bet it's going to be git config help, and this is probably gigantic, but before merge advanced. Okay, no, not that, not that, not that. Yeah, it's not these. Not this, not this. It's not all this. Okay, it's probably merge dot. Oh, right. Merge backslash dot. Yeah, yeah. Conflict, fast forward, verify branch log, suppress destination. Out of stash. Message that channel can create a temporary stash entry before operation begins. Okay. Oh, I like that. That's really cool. Nah. Merge GUI tool. Kind of would be neat to do. I don't know how you can invoke the good merge stuff in you know what? Screw it. I just pop into the editor for the GUI tools. This is kind of outdated now. I'd love to write some merge drivers for some of this event sourcing stuff. That would be kind of fun. Merge tool. I don't want that. Oh, yeah, I used to remember. I used to set this up all the time for Perforce. The merge tool for Perforce was good, and I remember setting it up this way too. Brings back memories. Okay, there's merge driver, merge tool. You know what? This is pretty bad that it doesn't have it. I'm very surprised. Let's look for no edit. Wow, okay. So there's no configuration for no edit? Uh, this doesn't sound right. So yeah, that shows me how old I am. The older scripts section up here is what applies to me. That's what I'm used to from years ago. I guess I must have turned that off somehow. They will see an editor open when they run git merge. Easy to adjust such scripts. Environment vulnerable git merge auto edit can be set. Ah, I'm really interested what config setting that is. I want to ask this stupid thing. How to edit? Why did I not find it? I don't trust this. You know, it might be capitals. Goddamn thing. Hmm. Should be using I. Okay, that's the only one that it has. Not convinced because there's a dot out of edit. Okay, if it's an actual setting, there's out of stash. Yeah, it's failing. It's a bullshit. It's oh, there it is. Core merge options. God damn it. Okay. Or is this also imagining things? Okay. That's under core merge options. Where would it get trained on this thing? I guess I'll have to just no edit in my merges. Wow, Torvalds really doesn't want these things to just pass by. Okay, whatever, fine. I can type no merges. Maybe I'll make another alias. Merge GMN. Merge no edit. Let's do that. I kind of don't want to, but whatever. I think it's my other repo. So if I cd, I got another hour before I have to go. No, not even 40 minutes. Sorry, down a rabbit hole again, but this is fun. Where's my machine setup? Do I have it further down? Tools? No. Did I not have it here? Work tracking. Scripts too. There it is. So I have fish shell utils. Is it a completion? I think so. Functions, completions. Where did I put it? local official utils font still machine setup. Oh, I thought it was here. Did I not push it from the other one? Where do I have the abbreviations? Definitely had the abbreviations in here. Or is that just not pushed on my laptop? Huh. Because I ran them here. Oh, it's the fish abbreviations SH. Ah, yes, yes, yes. Okay. I knew that was official utils. Let's see. Official utils. No, not official utils. Machine setup. And then that's where it is. Abbreviations. Thank you. Okay, so here we have git merge. We just want to add git merge, no edit, git merge, no edit. That should be good enough. Okay, so we're good. Good. Actually, you know what? Do one more. Git add all. Oh, I do have it. Good. So I can just gah. Perfect. What's the +1? I have to push, right? And I have a stash. All right, stash and I had and push. No. Stash and I have something in the index. 2 files in the index. Okay, git commit. Added git merge. Okay, so now if I do setup, abbreviations is not done, so there's 0. I got it. Okay, looks like it's all done. So I need to exit this. And then if I add another new terminal, it should have git merge, no edit. Yes. Awesome. Good stuff. So we're still in dev. Did we do? Yeah, 4 o'clock, 4. Okay, so we did those 2. 3. So we did the node. So we have all of them, basically. Which is good. Because if I have anything outstanding, I would have git branch contains get branch no merged, right? QA and main. Good, that's fine. But I kind of want to push things to main anyway. Okay, so I think we're done with that. If I do the 4 hours thing, 4.hours. Because I didn't push that yet. I have to force push. The origin stuff is causing issues here. It's dragging in old merges. So yeah, get push force, and then we should be able to see that. Perfect. Yeah. So we have those merges showing up. We have that as the merge. That as that merge. So we had 2 merges. We don't have all of them, do we? We have the registration node, topics node, and then we, oh no, we do have all of them. Yes. Again, I wish there was I wonder, that's a question. Does get log graph have an option to show no continuity? I doubt it would have it. That's too bad. But color and graph in one line shouldn't be needed for that. Oh. Yeah, that won't show it either. Okay. I think I'm happy with that. I think this shows us that we got everything. Just can't be distracted by the design branch at the bottom, because that is oh, it isn't merged. Registration name for suggestion node. Yeah, we don't have that one. Okay, so get merge. Oops. Get merge no edit. GMN, that's good. And then we can do the yeah, I think I was gonna do it and then I didn't because got thrown off by the no edit as a default. We went down that rabbit hole. But wait a second, no merged. So here's all our branches, and get branch no merged. Huh. That's interesting. Do we not? Get checkout. Yeah, that's the cherry pick on top of that one. So how is that already merged when I don't see a merge commit for it? Something's not adding up. VPF dev graph online. Should be merges for that. Okay, so merge, register. I have a merge for the topics. Registered topics. Yeah, merge. Oh no, we do have name for suggestion. Okay, so that graph just threw me off. I guess it's because it doesn't show the first parent, so it looks like it's directly below, but that is a merge. I'm not gonna do one line. I want to read the dates. February 24th. Name for yeah. Registration name for suggestion is the commit. Name for suggestion is merged. So that's one merge. That's another merge. Yeah. And so we can also just do merges. Yeah. Good. Register node, topics, and registration. Yeah. So I think it's got them all. All right. Good enough. Okay. So now that we've done that, we can go back to designing stuff. I wanted to clean all this up. I just want to make sure I pushed all these branches up. Oops. Just want to see if, yeah. Yeah, they're all here. Okay, good. That's kind of what I want to see. Good. All right. So now that we're on here, we probably want to go back to the start tag and actually I want to see all the cherry picks since get log grep, and we want cherry pick. Okay, that shows me all of them. But now I just want to show the ones since do that again, but for anything containing start 3. No. In their history. Is that gonna work? Yeah, of course. This. Okay, Claude 3 is really dumb with Git. That would not work. have to do for each branch, right? Oh, I have to take this call 1 second. Okay, so I had some audio issues. I thought I was putting myself on mute, but I wasn't, and I was muted. Anyway, I'll explain what I was doing on the next one. I jumped to another meeting, and I might be up on this later on. So, gotta get some stuff done. All right. Yeah, just to show you what I was trying to do is just to automate all the cherry picks. So if I'm doing a new branch, I want to be able to just quickly grab a lot of these cherry picks. And I think I could just do an author date, commit date comparison just to make sure that I'm getting the ones that I kind of want to do first, and just order them by by date time. So I can filter out the ones that are not on the same date time. So let's see if we can continue to do that, maybe for the next 5 minutes. Yeah, and then we'll call it quits for the day, because I think what I did is just cleaned up the Git history here, and just kind of a neat thing. Ancestry path, really kind of cool. I'm more interested in it for reachability. I think I was combining git branch contains with git log, and that's just kind of like a roundabout way of doing the same thing. So it's nice to see the ancestry path. I just always try to use the set notations to do it. But anyway, getting the tips of the various branches is not as fun. This ancestry path is a nice shortcut. All right, so so we kind of want to have everything that is in a cherry pick. We don't want the graph. Okay, and then if we have all those, so that'll give me this regular output. But I want to format this. So I want to go through each one bit by bit. Is there a git log way of doing that? I guess I'll do it on one line. So anyway, I'm going to come back to this later this evening and finish this. So it'll be a third stream where I actually want to finish on getting this cherry picking done, because it's just kind of, it doesn't matter what your workflow is. I think if there's useful things that are in the history that someone's doing, whether it's an improvement to your stack or utility or whatever, you kind of want to say, okay, these things are really safe to cherry pick. There may be some order that's important between them. And then like, hey, I really like all this stuff. I should be able to just run a command to iterate through my history, find all the cherry pickable cool utilities, and get them all cherry picked into my current branch, because I want to make use of them all, learn something that other people were doing. I think it'll be quite useful, especially if you're doing this by the slice approach. You can gather some stuff from different slices, not just parse through whatever was merged into a dev branch or whatever. It should even help with trunk-based development. So anyway, sorry about the volume stuff. Had some issues with my audio. I will see you in a bit. Probably a couple hours, 2.5 hours or something like that. So till then, thanks again for joining.